Hello everybody, I'm James and I'm going to give you a quick walk around two of our latest used car in stock. This is a 2019 Peugeot 208 Signature, this is the stunning Twilight blue. 16-inch alloy wheels which look stunning. It has signature badging on the front wings and the chrome wing mirrors. Because it's a signature, you have power folded wing mirrors, automatic lights and automatic wipers, as well as rear tinted windows. And going into the back, you have this gorgeous blue contrast stitching. The seats do have ISOFIX points. You have manual roll up windows if you have any small children, as well as two rear cup holders. You have rear parking sensors on this 2.8 going into the boot. You have a massive boot and a light on the left hand side for either those early summer mornings or just them early winter mornings. Your spare wheel, the black and wheel nut under there. And moving our way around to drive the side and going into the car. This 2.8 Signature has done 14,594 miles, but that will rise you to test drives. Coming across the middle, you have a 7-inch multi-function touchscreen display with DAB, FM, AM radio frequencies. You can connect your phone by Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink and Android Auto. Use the USB port located below your climate controls. You also have a 12-volt socket down there if you want to plug, say, a dash cam in, and you can connect just by plain old Bluetooth applications. So if you do connect your phone by Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink and Android Auto, you can see your messages and as well as your photos. Drive functions, as well as vehicle settings, system settings. You can only use the navigation when your phone's connected by Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink and Android Auto. If you're interested in this gorgeous Peugeot 208 Signature, then please just call 01244 398 600 or one of our sales executives will be able to go into even more detail on what I just went into. Thank you and have a good day.